This is Orletha. I was actually on Instagram first. Hey, how are you all? I was on Instagram earlier and I saw a little post and she was like, look, I bought these onion goggles, and she's doing this really crazy giveaway for onion goggles. And it was to stop people from having onion eyes. And I was like, okay, there's a really easy trick that you can do to get rid of onion eyes, and I thought I'd share it with you guys all today in case you missed it on one of the webinars. And that one does not include buying onion goggles. Never heard of onion goggles. So I thought I would do this to stop you from having to buy onion goggles and to make it easier for you in the kitchen tonight if you're making dinner right now like I will be shortly, or if you are done with dinner and you just need onion tips. So first things first, never always start with the end of the onion that has the little, not the root end. So not the root end. You want to start with the end of the onion that it grows out of the ground. And then the second thing is vinegar. This is the easiest thing. You just put a little teaspoon of vinegar on your cutting board when you're cutting your onion, just a little capful, and it will absorb the gases that make your eyes go all watery. And then you don't have watery eyes anymore. And it doesn't affect the flavor of your food because it's not like you're using, I don't know, onions in something sweet. It actually doesn't change the flavor of your food at all. So hope that this little tip, again, make sure that you don't use the end of the onion that has the root on it. Just use the other end and literally a capful of white vinegar on your cutting board, and that will end your onion eyes without onion goggles. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop them here, and I hope to see you around the 20 Dishes neighborhood. See you soon. Bye. Oh, I'll also be doing more of these. So if you have kitchen questions, any of those, I would gladly get those answered for you. So feel free to leave those here, and we will be doing kitchen tips as often as we can. I love to share, and so I will be dropping those in here really often, hopefully every single week. Maybe I'll even share some of my grocery excursions because those are always fun. I know a lot of people struggle with picking out really good produce, so I would love to take you in the grocery store with me as well. So I will see you guys around the 20 Dishes neighborhood. Thanks for tuning in and for helping us change the world one meal at a time. Have a great evening. Bye.